Forget the Galaxy S23 Ultra for a moment because Samsung is preparing to blow your mind with what could be the very first early look at the Galaxy Z Fold 5 prototype that could even possibly rock the mind-bending 360-degree folding display. Along with that, a first-of-its-kind human-helping robot is planned for 2023, plus some sliding display products. The future is looking awesome. With the Z Fold 5, not only they're fixing the issues of the Fold 4, like a gap between the hinges, lighter body, and getting rid of that crease, they might actually go above and beyond and do something that no one has ever done, which will absolutely blow your mind. Enter the new 360-degree folding hinge. Thanks to this revolutionary technologies, the Z Fold 5 could fold inward and outward, which has never been done before on a single phone. Either we have an inner folding smartphone or an outer folding smartphone, never a folding phone that can do both on one device. This also eliminates the hinge, making the display look cleaner, as well as getting rid of that annoying gap that we have on the Fold 4, making the device lighter, thinner, and flatter so it fits better in hand and in your pocket. If everything goes right, we might actually see this on the Z Fold 5, making this the biggest breakthrough in the folding world. Now, other than this, Samsung also showed another Fold 5 prototype which has a new teardrop hinge design, which fixes all the things that we already talked about, like the gap, making the device thinner and getting rid of the crease, but it doesn't have that 360-degree curve of that new groundbreaking display. Either way, the Z Fold 5 will be a big step up compared to the last 4th generation of Samsung's folding phones. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also, Samsung has been showing off a bunch of different sliding screen devices. So we have Flex Hybrid, which is the world's first device to fold, as well as have a sliding screen at the side to make it grow even bigger. Then we have the Flex Solo, which is just a large screen with the ability to transform even bigger thanks to a sliding screen on the right hand side. You can tell by the movement of the display that Samsung is making quite a bit of improvement in this regard, and hopefully we're going to see this coming to smartphones as well. And then we have the slidable Flex Duet, which have a scrolling display on both sides, meaning you're going to get an even bigger display. Samsung is indeed flexing all those futuristic muscles to show everyone that they are still the boss when it comes to this folding world. As much as I'm excited for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Z Fold 5 will be a class of its own with an even better hinge design, a possible mind-bending 360-degree display that I would love to see. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Is 2023 finally the year where you're going to decide to go for a folding phone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.